Is Zareklamy legit and really a great way to make money online as it claims on the front page? Or is it just a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I got very curious because Zareklamy even claims that it can be a full-time job. So I decided to test it out and see if it can really live up to its claims. And in this Zareklamy review and tutorial, I will show you exactly how it works and what you can really expect, because you need to do it with the right expectations, and there definitely are some details you need to know before investing too much time here. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online. So let's start by going over who can even join Zareklamy, or that's at least how I think it's pronounced. I have tried to find out exactly how it's pronounced, but anybody I've asked, they do actually not know for sure. So that's just what I'll call it here, and you will know which site I am talking about. It is this zareklamy.com, and you can earn just by joining the website, and you can join from any country. And it also has an app in the Google Play Store. It is not available in the iOS App Store right now, but if you decide to use it after having watched this review, then it is good to know that you can also use the app to earn on your phone if you have an Android phone, of course. And let's now go over how you can earn. And after you log in, there are quite a few ways you can earn here. And you just basically click to start and earn here. So let's go over a few of them so you can see how much you can earn. So let's start by this browsing websites, videos, and ads. So here the current estimated earnings are 2 cents. So if I just click here, and then we will start browsing these ads and see how long it takes to earn a little bit here. So what happens is a new screen opens up here. This is a new website, and then down here you can see that you have to be on the website for quite a while, and I just jump away from it there. You can see it actually continues counting, so you do not necessarily have to have it open. I have an antivirus program that is quite strict, so it has blocked it, but if you do not have that strict an antivirus, you will get all kind of different websites here, and you just have to have them open. It is what is called pay to click if you have tried PTC sites before. So you click ads, you open a website, have to stay on it for a certain number of seconds, and then you will get paid. The rewards you get for this is quite low, but it is actually quite a bit more than you get on most PTC sites. However, you can also see you have to be on the website for quite a while. So I'll just let this one run out, and then I'll come back here so you do not have to sit here and wait for the next 85 seconds for this to run out. And once the timer ran out, it moves on to the next website. If there are any, you can see right now there are no here, and that's one thing you need to be aware of, that there will not always be available tasks, and this can also depend on the country you live in. But visiting this website is fairly easy, but it also takes quite a lot of patience to earn any money, as you could see. So other ways to earn is by leave engagement on social media. And this is where you can watch some YouTube videos, you can become a YouTube subscriber or like certain videos and things like this. So this is meant for helping people that want some engagement on their social media channels, and then they are willing to pay us to actually do that. Personally, it's not something I really like participating in, manipulating it like that, but there are quite a few different ways you can earn here. And if you click one of them here about the videos views, there are different ones here, and you can see how much you will earn for watching it. So what you have to do is, most of these are on YouTube, so you have to click and then you watch it, and then you will get this 1 cent in this case here. And it will kind of be embedded on Zareklamy itself, so you have to watch it in here. So it is a fairly easy way to earn, but again, requires quite a lot of patience, because some of these videos are maybe 5-10 minutes, and it is not completely clear how much of the video you have to watch to get your 1 cent. But for some of these social engagement here, for example, if you try here, you can see there are not always tasks available, but there are for some of them. Let's try these Facebook post likes here. See, there's also none, just Facebook page likes. Then there are some you can earn 2 cents for liking certain pages on Facebook there, including Zareklamy's own Facebook page here. So you can find quite a lot of different ways to earn here if you do not mind using your own social media channels to follow and like whatever they require you to follow and like. But you do need quite some patience because it is not super high rewards, and it definitely requires you to like a lot of pages or watch a lot of videos to earn any real money. You also have this section about writing comments and reviews. It is quite similar to the social media engagement, except here you have to write YouTube comments or Facebook reviews or Facebook comments. Again, it is a way to try to manipulate the algorithm so people are willing to pay here to get some engagement. And there are no tasks available right here at the moment. And again, I just encourage you to be critical about what you review and not give, for example, fake 5-star reviews. It is just frustrating as a user if you find something like that where people have just bought a lot of fake reviews so you do not really know if you can trust it or not. But right now there also are no available tasks here, but that will depend on the time you try it out and if anybody has ordered any projects here or any tasks that you can potentially do. Surveys is a way that I personally actually really like earning a bit of extra cash because it is quite easy and it can be an interesting way to have your opinion heard. And usually it pays quite a bit more than most of the other tasks you can find here. And in this case here, there are no surveys available at this very moment, and there has not been really any available for the time that I have tested Zareklamy over several weeks. So if you like taking paid service, this is definitely not a good site for that. There are some high-paying service sites with a lot of daily opportunities, so if you like to share your opinion, get paid for it, then you should check out some of those instead. And finally, you can create some accounts or subscribe to newsletters. This is again small tasks people can come here and ask you to do to get more subscribers or to register for certain websites. And in this case, I would right now get 3 cents for doing this task here. And what I then need to do is to go to this website where it took me, and you can see down here it says that I need to register and copy the URL, like the link here, from the open window to the field here above here after I have registered. But I do actually not really want to register for this here right now, so I'll just close that down. It's okay if I don't earn anything by doing that, but this is just to show you that is what that earning opportunity is, and this is just one example. Exactly which account you need to create or something like that, that will vary from task to task. So that's the main ways you can earn on Zareklamy, but you of course also need to know how you can get your earnings out. And if you go to the billing section, there is not a lot of information. You cannot see the payout methods until you have reached the threshold. You can see the threshold here is $25. So it is a fairly high payout threshold for a get paid to site, especially considering the quite low rewards you will get. You need to do a lot of tasks to get to the threshold. But once you get there, you can choose between different payout methods, and I just jumped to their FAQ section to show you. And you can get paid via bank transfer, PayPal, Revolut, TransferWise, or Payoneer. So actually some really good payout method, and all of them great ways to get paid in cash. So I definitely like that they do pay out in cash. It would just be better if they also had a lower payout threshold, in my opinion. Overall, Zareklamy is a way where you can earn some extra cash on the site online. But I honestly think that the claims they make on the front page here, where it says that you can make a full-time job, is just really exaggerated. And then if you scroll further down, it says here that you can earn up to $150 per month. And I would say that is very, very optimistic. First of all, in many countries, that is not even near a full-time income. In some countries it can be a quite good income, but in those countries you should not expect to find enough tasks to be able to earn this. You saw how much you could earn in there, and it is not a lot, and a lot of the tasks are not actually available all the time. So I think that the earning claims they have here are very exaggerated. Yes, you can earn on Zareklamy, and you can earn no matter the country you live in, and that is definitely great, and you can get paid in cash. But if you expect really easy, fast money and that you can make a living from it, then you will definitely be disappointed, because as you can see, the rewards are quite low here. I think if you really hard looking for sites that you can use to earn free money online and you have not been able to find any other sites, yes, then it can be worth checking out. But in most countries and for most people, there will be sites that are a lot more effective in my experience. But if you want to know even more about Zareklamy, you can read my full review on my website, paidfromservice.com. I will leave a link below this video here, and there you can also see some suggestions for higher paying reward sites that you can join for free that I have better experiences with. And also, if this video helped you, hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the side online.